Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaica has 8 commercial banks, with Scotiabank and the National Commercial Bank Financial Group controlling 70% of the nation's savings accounts. Data released by the Bank of Jamaica indicate that the country's 8 commercial banks held $76.77 billion in deposits for central government, $3.1 billion in savings for local authorities, and $69.31 billion for a select group of public sector entities as at the end of November last year. Approximately 70% of this amount is held by Scotiabank and NCB, which pay on average 2% a year to savers on the funds on deposit. The central bank also reported that commercial banks held $117.1 billion in deposits for members of the diaspora, $782.1 billion for people resident in Jamaica, and $577.7 billion for corporate entities. The total deposits held at the end of November last year was $1.8 trillion, or 54.73% of GDP. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Auburn Hill, is lauding the release of the Index of Business Confidence, showing an increase of 12.9% in the fourth quarter of 2024, a steady quarter-on-quarter increase, and a 7.3% year-over-year increase, the highest level of recorded business confidence since the second quarter in 2019. This data suggests that more businesses are optimistic about Jamaica's economy, expecting better financial performance, and nearly 73% of businesses consider it a good time to invest in Jamaica. Sectors such as wholesale and retail, finance, insurance, and real estate are leading the way in driving this positive outlook. Hill commented on the report, stating, "The latest business and consumer confidence reports affirm the entrepreneurial drive of Jamaica. The Andrew Holness administration's efforts to create an enabling business environment are yielding good and clear results, as reflected in the confidence levels." For the trading period ending February 5, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 2,651,449 units traded, representing 16.16% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 2,509,086 units traded, representing 15.30% of market sales value. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,279,470 units traded, representing 13.90% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 5, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $83.72 million purchased and US $74.94 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.06 per dollar, selling the US at $158.19 and buying the US at $157.13. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 92 cents per transactions, with selling at $111.54 and buying at $110.62. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.53 in profits, with selling at $197.43 and buying at $193.90. Ready to qualify for a mortgage but need a credit score boost fast? Well, over the next 3 months, you can implement these actionable steps to potentially increase your score by 100 points and secure better mortgage terms. Here are some options. Avoid new hard inquiries. What to do? Refrain from applying for new credit that results in hard inquiries. Hold off on any non-essential credit applications during these 3 months. Next, consider automating your payments. What you're going to do is set up automated payments to ensure you never miss a due date. And in this action step, you're going to enroll in auto-pay services for all reoccurring bills starting immediately. Now, from nothing to financial resilience. For most of us, and particularly women over the age of 45, reoccurring income is one of the best ways to build financial stability. The key is taking strategic steps to create multiple streams of income so you never have to just rely on one source of money again. The key? Multiple streams of income so that money flows to you in different ways, whether through active income, which is work, passive income, which is investments, investment income, which is asset, or reoccurring income, subscriptions or royalties. The goal is to create financial resilience that lasts. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.